Hello everyone, let's talk about the Lexar Thor DDR4 RAM, specifically the 32GB kit running at 3600 MHz. If you're looking to boost your desktop's performance, especially for gaming or multitasking, this memory kit might be exactly what you need. First impressions are solid. The Lexar Thor features a space aluminum heat spreader. It not only looks great, giving your system a premium aesthetic, but it also serves a crucial function: efficient heat dissipation. Keeping your RAM cool is essential for maintaining stable performance, especially when you're pushing your system hard. Installation is straightforward. It's a simple upgrade that anyone can do. Just pop out your old RAM and slot these in. The kit supports XMP 2.0, so enabling the rated speed is as easy as selecting the profile in your BIOS. No need to mess with complicated timings or voltages. The performance speaks for itself. The jump from slower RAM to this 3600 MHz kit is noticeable. Applications load faster, multitasking is smoother, and games feel more responsive. The CL18-22-22-42 timings are respectable for this speed, and the 1.35V operating voltage is within the standard range. Lexar is targeting PC enthusiasts and gamers with this kit, and it shows. The combination of speed, cooling, and ease of use makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their memory. Plus, the lifetime limited warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that Lexar stands behind their product. Overall, the Lexar Thor DDR4 3600 MHz 32GB kit is a great choice for a performance upgrade. It offers a blend of speed, stability, and aesthetics that should satisfy most users. If you're in the market for new RAM, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.